Have you ever wondered how some TikTok creators seem to know exactly which products will go viral, or how they manage to turn casual viewers into paying customers? The answer might surprise you. It's not luck, it's data. And today, I'm going to show you how you can connect your TikTok account to Kalodata, a game-changing analytics tool that provides insights into products, creators, and strategies that drive success on TikTok Shop. But before we dive in, here's a little bonus for you. Click the link in the description to get a 7-day free trial of Kalodata with an exclusive 15% discount. Trust me, this tool is worth every penny if you're serious about growing your TikTok Shop affiliate business. Why Kalodata? Let's start with the basics. Kalodata isn't just another analytics tool. It's your secret weapon for mastering TikTok Shop. Whether you're an affiliate marketer looking for winning products or a creator trying to optimize your content strategy, Kalodata delivers detailed insights that save time and money. Imagine knowing exactly which videos convert viewers into buyers or which creators are dominating specific niches. That's the kind of edge Kalodata gives you. Step 1. Create your Kalodata account. First things first, if you don't already have a Kalodata account, head over to their official website. Signing up is simple and quick. You'll need an email address to create your account, and once you've registered, Kalodata will send a verification code to your inbox. Enter the code, and voila! You're ready to start exploring the platform. Step 2. Connect your TikTok account. Now comes the exciting part, linking your TikTok account to Kalodata. Here's how. Log into your Kalodata account. Navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Connect TikTok button and click it. You'll be prompted to log into your TikTok account using your credentials. Once logged in, grant Kalodata access to analyze your TikTok Shop data. Why is this step crucial? By connecting your TikTok account, Kalodata can pull real-time data about your shop performance, video engagement metrics, and affiliate campaigns. This integration is what allows you to make data-driven decisions that boost sales. Step 3. Explore trending products. Once your accounts are linked, it's time to explore trending products using Kalodata's intuitive interface. Here's how. Click on the Explore tab. Use filters like revenue range, growth trends, and average price points to narrow down potential winning products. Review detailed analytics for each product, how many units have been sold, which creators are promoting them, and what kind of videos are driving sales. Pro tip. Focus on products that show consistent growth but haven't reached peak saturation yet. These hidden gems often deliver the best ROI. Step 4. Analyze top creators. Kalodata doesn't just stop at products, it also provides insights into top-performing creators in various niches. Here's how you can use this feature. Navigate to the Creators section. View rankings based on metrics like revenue generated and engagement rates. Study their content strategies, what hooks they use in their videos, how they structure their captions, and even their posting schedules. This information is invaluable if you're looking to collaborate with influencers or simply want inspiration for your own content. Step 5. Optimize your video strategy. One of Kalodata's standout features is its ability to analyze video performance. You can see which formats work best, whether it's short hooks or longer storytelling, and even export optimized video scripts directly from the platform. Here's what you should focus on. Identify trending video styles in your niche. Review engagement metrics like likes, shares, and comments. Use Kalodata's AI optimization tool to enhance your scripts for maximum impact. Remember, TikTok is all about grabbing attention within seconds. Use these insights to craft content that not only engages, but converts viewers into customers. Step 6. Track your competitors. Kalodata also lets you keep an eye on competitors in your niche. This feature is perfect for understanding what works and what doesn't in your market. Here's how. Go to the Competitor Analysis section. Search for shops or creators similar to yours. Analyze their product offerings, revenue trends, and promotional strategies. By studying competitors' successes and failures, you can refine your approach and stay ahead of the game. Step 7. Monitor your progress. Finally, use Kalodata's dashboard to track your own performance over time. From sales metrics to video engagement rates, everything is laid out in easy-to-read charts and graphs. This feature helps you pinpoint areas for improvement and celebrate milestones as you grow. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to connect your TikTok account with Kalodata and use its powerful features to dominate TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this tool has everything you need to succeed. Don't forget, click the link in the description for a free 7-day trial of Kalodata with an exclusive 15% discount. It's time to take control of your TikTok Shop journey and turn data into dollars. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.